How to make big money without having big money skills, right? That's pretty clickbaity. I understand that. But I wanted to use that title for this video because that's exactly what I want to talk about. Really, when you think about making money online or starting a business, a lot of times what you hear is, if you want to make big money, go out and solve big money problems. And that's great if you have skills or experience or you can help businesses overcome major obstacles. But what happens if you don't have that skill? What happens if you don't have that experience? Are you going to be left out? Well, in many cases, yes. But in this video, what I want to show you is how you can actually get into a very specific program that can help you make big money even if you don't have big money skills. Now, the reason I know this is because, well, two reasons. When I first started with my online business venture, I was a waiter who knew almost nothing about the internet. I always tell the story how the only real reason I had a Facebook account is not because I knew a lot about networking on Facebook. It was because my wife, who was my girlfriend at the time, actually created my Facebook account so she could say she was in a relationship with me, right? So I literally knew almost nothing about the internet when I started, but I knew the internet wasn't going anywhere, and I knew it was a great way for me to earn income. So because I didn't have any big money skills, being a waiter isn't really a big money skill, then I had to figure out a way to actually make money without gaining the experience first, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to start earning as fast as possible, thinking to myself, if I just start earning now, then I can learn as I go. See, wouldn't it be better to start earning money faster? Then you can acquire the big money skills that are going to set you up for the future, right? The idea that you can earn while you learn, and that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. But very quickly, this is the Becoming Legendary channel, and it is dedicated to helping you make more money online. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit bell notifications. That way you do get notified whenever I release a brand new free training. Let's go ahead and dive into the computer here, and let's first talk about big money skills that you need for a typical business. And we'll go through this quickly, but what we want to do is we want to understand some of the roadblocks that most average folks like me have to actually making big money online in the beginning. So big money skills, like if you learn like sales and copywriting, okay, those are two big money skills that can help you out. Like obviously, if you get really good at sales and you can sell anything, then you can pretty much get a job or get a business in any field, because sales is what drives the revenue, right? Marketing brings the customers in, but sales is what converts the customers or the potential customers into cash. But sales is really hard. Like even to this day, I've been doing this 8 years now. 8 years? Almost 8 years, 7.5 years. And I'm still really, really bad at sales. So what I had to do is I had to figure out a way that I could make big money online without being really good at sales. Same thing with copywriting. Copywriting is a science that very few people are good at. If you get really good at copywriting, then you can write sales letters and sales video scripts, and you can make big money, but it's really, really hard to learn copywriting. So those are two typical roadblocks for average folks like me to actually go out and make big money online. Also, the ability to solve a problem, right? If you could solve a big problem, then you can make big money. But just like me, when I first got started, I was a waiter. I went to college, but I never used my degree. I'd been in the restaurant industry since I graduated from college. So what big problems can I solve for businesses? Really none. So once again, I had to figure out a way to make big money online without that big money skill. A high ticket offer. You hear this all the time. If you want to make big money online, then go out there and create a program and charge a lot of money for it, right? Like create a $5,000 program. It's so much easier to sell one $5,000 program a month than it is to sell $150 programs, right? It's easier to make one sale than 100 sales. But the problem is having a $5,000 program, you have to deliver $5,000 worth of value. Like for me, when I was first getting started, I was just a waiter, right? Like I don't think I could solve any $5,000 problems. I don't think I really had a reason for anybody to give me $5,000. So once again, I had to figure out a way that I could go out and make big money without solving big money problems. And there's also like web design or resources, like to hire a team. That's a big problem. Like if you want a business online, you pretty much have to have a website. And if you don't know how to create a website, then you're going to have to hire someone to create your website. That's a problem. That's a big roadblock for a lot of people. So what I had to do is I had to go out there and find a software that would allow me, who knew nothing about building websites, to get my website online. And I needed it to happen without the ability to hire a team because I didn't have a lot of money to go out there and hire a bunch of developers, right? So I had to figure out a solution for that problem. Now, I was able to solve all these problems. And that's what I want to share with you today. I want to talk to you about the business model that allows me to make big money without having big money skills. Now, before we go on, just a little disclaimer. I did mention I've been doing this for 7.5 years, so now I have the ability to solve big money problems. But I'm going to show you the exact model that I still use because it's very profitable. It can be set up as a passive income stream, and it takes zero fulfillment on the back end. Really easy to run. And what I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. Now, this is the same model that I started with. This is the same model that helped me build a multiple six-figure passive income business. And this is the same model that I still use as part of my business today. But here's the thing. Most people, when they tell you about affiliate marketing, they're going to tell you, go over to ClickBank and promote some $30 product. But we already discussed that it's so much easier to make big money by earning big commissions. Would you rather have to go out there and earn $130 commissions, or do you think it'd be a little bit easier to go out there and earn one $3,000 commission? Well, the answer is it's easier to go out there and earn one $3,000 commission, especially when you partner with a program that I'm about to reveal to you, because they handle all the sales. They handle all the copywriting. Because it's affiliate marketing, they handle all the fulfillment and customer service and product creation. The only thing we have to do is refer the traffic and earn the commissions. So what are we talking about big money commissions? Well, here is the payout schedule for this particular program that I'm talking about. Look at these commissions. $18, $98, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $999, $2,999 commissions. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Those $3,000 commissions, they don't happen very often, but those $1,000 commissions, they happen more often than you think. So guys, here's the deal. Here's where most people fail. They either go out there and try to start a business when they don't have the big money skills, or they go out there as an affiliate, which is a great model, but they partner with the wrong programs. Stay away from the ClickBanks. Don't focus on $30 commissions. Focus on programs that can earn you the big commissions. Guys, if you want to learn more about this program and this business model, head on over to my 15-day challenge. You'll find a link in the description below. There's going to be a free presentation that tells you about this business model. And remember I talked about the tech skills needed? Well, here's the deal. If you go over to this website and check out the presentation, no risk, I'm also going to send you an email that will allow you to copy this website template that I currently use. That way you can launch your business without learning how to code or create custom web designs. You'll simply import mine, swap out your picture, swap out your name, it's all drag and drop, and you're ready to go. You're ready to start driving traffic. Now, speaking of traffic, here's a great opportunity to get a brand new book that has just been released. It's called Traffic Secrets. You can find Traffic Secrets by going over to brianbrewer.com/traffic, or if you check out the link in the description below, it's going to take you to a page where you can actually get this book for free. Now, this Traffic Secrets book is going to show you 20 different ways to drive traffic to your new affiliate marketing business. Okay, you can go over to Amazon and buy it for $24.95 right now, or you can go over to the website that I'm talking about at brianbrewer.com/traffic, and you can get it for free. You just had to pay to have them shipped to you. That sounds like a pretty good deal. If you don't want to wait, there's going to be an opportunity to order the audio version as well, which I believe is delivered instantly. Regardless, guys, the affiliate marketing model with the right programs, like the programs I talked about in this video that earn the big commissions, that's the way you as a beginner can earn big money without big money skills. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, go over to my15daychallenge.com if you want to learn more about this amazing business model and affiliate marketing and the potential to seriously change your life and give you the opportunity to start earning while you're learning. Have a great day now.